Good morning, students. So this one is our second class of our physics chapter motion. So in our previous offline classes, so we have discussed what is distance, what is displacement, what is frame of reference. So and we have also learned how we can calculate the displacement between two objects, how we can calculate distance between two objects, how displacement is differ from distance, and how displacement can be zero, distance cannot be zero. And today we will discuss uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So what is uniform motion? If an object covers equal distance with equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be in uniform motion. For an example, a car covers a distance from A to B. This one is 100 km and it covered in 30 minutes. Again B to C is 100 km, again 30 minutes. Again C to D is 100 km, again it takes 30 minutes to cover it. So it covers equal distance with equal interval of time. So these types of motion is called uniform motion. So definition of uniform motion is if an object covers equal distance with equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion. So non-uniform motion, if an object covers unequal distance with equal interval of time, then it is said to be in non-uniform motion. For an example, a car covers a distance of A to B of 100 km in 30 minutes. Next, B to C of 100 km in 50 minutes. And this one is of 5 minutes. Then it covers unequal distance with equal interval of time, or equal distance with unequal interval of time. Then these types of motion is called non-uniform motion. So what is non-uniform motion? If an object covers unequal distance with equal interval of time, then it is said to be non-uniform motion. Generally, motion of a bus, motion of a bicycle is non-uniform motions. So next one is velocity. So we have learned in the previous class that what is displacement. Displacement means shortest distance between 2 points is said to be displacement of an object. Now velocity means rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement of an object is called velocity. So velocity means displacement divided by time taken. So velocity means displacement divided by time. So next most important point is acceleration. So what is acceleration? Now acceleration means rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration? It means rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. That means, and one more thing, this one is vector quantity. So acceleration is a vector quantity. Now rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Change in velocity, that means we can write rate of change of velocity, or directly we can write acceleration is equal to so this statement is also written as acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. That means rate of change of velocity. Now change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. So if final velocity is denoted by v and initial velocity is denoted by u and time is denoted by t, acceleration is denoted by a, then we can say that a equal to v minus u by t. To calculate acceleration of an object, we need to know the initial velocity of an object, final velocity of an object, and time taken to change in velocity. So where a means acceleration, u means final velocity, t means time. So where a means acceleration of an object, v means final velocity of an object, u means initial velocity of an object, t means time. So now by using this formula we can calculate acceleration of an object. So we will discuss some numerical based on acceleration and velocity in the next class. Thank you.